Why are you acting like a fool? Walking around you at school.
Hey ladybugs, hey love bugs. It's your girl. I'm back in this camera. So today is Tuesday. I am out with hubby before he goes to work, and we have to run a few errands, and we have to stop at the Boost store because y'all, I have AT&T, and that's not working for me. I had too many drop call issues and all kinds of stuff. I was with Boost for years. I don't even know why I left, but it is what it is. They have pissed me off one day, so I hope they take me back. I really do. But yeah, we're out here today. What am I going to do? I don't know, y'all. When you don't have a job, you don't even know what to do with yourself. Well, let me give you a little story time. So I did have my meeting with the psychologist. Remember, I told y'all in the part 2, declutter. Of course, I'm gonna put it up over here or over there. Y'all know how I do, but it's gonna be up there. Part 2, declutter. If you haven't seen that, then yes, that's what's gonna happen. But yeah, so I felt like it went pretty good. I kind of was rambling on, and I had to catch myself because remember I said if I was trying to practice how to just answer the questions, but he was so nice, y'all. But he was a little kooky, but that's okay. He was very nice, and so we talked about some things, some events that occurred in my life through my lifetime, and he was understanding about some of the things. At least he acted as if he was understanding. It seemed as though he was understanding, but I don't know. But we had a few laughs, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. He said he's going to send a report, and I should hear something in a week or two. I hope a week, because y'all, I'm bored to death. I am ready to get back to work. And your girl broke. She broke. And I need to get to work. But yeah, so we out here today. I don't know if I'm gonna get breakfast or not. Honey had to run into this place real quick. So we'll see. I guess we'll go to the Boost store and see what they talking about. If not, I'm just gonna pay my bill and keep it pushing for AT&T. Figure it out. But yeah, y'all. So I hope y'all having a beautiful, wonderful day. It's a little chilly out, but it's still nice. So I'm grateful for that. I should have put a jacket on. I didn't even put a jacket on, y'all. I'm out here with no jacket. And did I tell y'all I think I broke my toe? I think I broke my toe on my new cocktail table, because I be forgetting that it's there. I don't know how I forget it's there because it's big as the living room. But, oh my God, y'all. I don't care what, even without shoes, just walking, it just hurts so bad. So I really need that to get together. You can't really go to the hospital. They can't put a cast on your pinky toe, so you gotta, I don't know what you gotta do, but you gotta thug it out, I guess. I don't know. And I needed to get better because if they call me for this new job, y'all know I have to go to basic training. I have to go away for 6 weeks. I hope I'm able to bring y'all with me, but I'm not sure. I doubt it, but I'm gonna try because y'all my family. You know what I mean? Like, I gotta talk to my family, y'all. Now, come on. At least talk to them. So we'll see. But I need this toe. I need this toe to get it together because it hurts. With a shoe, without a shoe, I'm limping. I don't know, y'all. But, and that husband of mine, I said, honey, I need gas. Like, you riding around like you would have went past 10 gas stations. Get some gas, please, sir. So I don't know if I told y'all while I'm not working, I am working. I am doing DoorDash. Y'all, if I keep looking away because I'm being nosy, I'm just making sure my surroundings is good. Because, people are weird. So that's what I'm doing. So don't think I'm being rude or anything. But yeah, I'm doing DoorDash. Y'all, I didn't know DoorDash people make that much money. Oh my God. I'm in the wrong field. My eyes is red. I think from the glue from the lashes. I'm gonna get me some of that Lumify. I've been watching the commercials, and then this lady, I was in Walmart one day, and the lady had the Lumify, and I asked her, I said, do that really work? She swears by it, that it works. So I need to pick me up some of that for my white around my eyes. Yeah, but right now they kind of red from messing with them for these lashes. These lashes is cute, but I can't always wear the lashes. I wish I could, but I can't. But, oh my God, y'all. Can y'all see anything? Can y'all blow in my eye for me, please? Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Y'all so cute. What was I talking? Oh, DoorDash. Man, them people make good money. I mean, if you out there, if you a hustler, because I made some decent money since I've been doing it, and I kind of like it. It's like being on drugs or something. It's an addiction because you be like, oh, let me try to make this much today. Oh, let me get, and then you zooming all around town, trying to get these deliveries made. It's fun. It really is, but your girl don't go out there every day because she lazy. She's lazy, honey. Oh, and I don't think I ever told y'all this story. Okay, story time. Let's talk about this. So, one day, my first day of doing DoorDash. Yeah, my first day. Girlfriend, not girl. Yeah, two of them. I had a pickup at Burger King. So, when I first got to the Burger King, I asked, I went to the window because it was in the evening and they had the door closed, no dining area, whatever. So I went to the window and I said, yeah, this is DoorDash. I have a delivery for whoever it was for. And she said, you had to go through the drive-thru. So, okay, I went through the drive-thru. It was a long line. So when I got to the box where you talk to place your order, I said, this is DoorDash and I'm picking up for so-and-so. I forget the name and it doesn't even matter the name or whatever. So, yeah. So she says, all right, sugar, come around to the window. The order is ready. Y'all, I go around to the window and she says, no, you have to wait in line. I said, but you told me to come around to the window. So her and this other worker is cracking up. I mean, like I'm stupid or something. Now, y'all, I know people are different in different areas, in different states and all of that. But from my understanding, I don't know if anyone else understands this. Let me know down in the comments if you understood what she was trying to tell me. Because I took it as, okay, the order is ready. I don't have to wait online. Let me go around because she said, come around to the window. The order is ready. So that's what I did. So y'all let me know down in the comments if you would have waited online or if you would have went around to the window. So I took it as that. So now her and this girl cracking up. So I'm like, what's so funny? Like, you told me to come around to the window. They act like they was high or something. I don't know. But okay. So now one of the girls that's sweeping, she's like, these DoorDash people be thinking. So I said, hold on. Hold on, boo. I said, this is my first day doing this. And I don't understand what's so funny. It was almost as if they was trying to downgrade me or degrade me. That's how I felt. And made me think, made it look like I'm the stupid one. So I'm saying to myself, hold on, boo. First of all, I didn't even say it to myself. I said it to them. Let me stop lying. I said it to them. I said, this is my first day. And second of all, this is my side hustle. So I'm a truck driver. So now their faces is like this. Mm-hmm. I say, yeah. So now, homegirl wants to know, oh, I always wanted to be a truck driver. How do you do that? You know, me and my fly ass mouth. Excuse me, y'all. But I said, start off by getting a DoorDash account. So, because y'all thought this was just a game and y'all was pretty much trying to degrade me. But let's not get this twisted. This is my side hustle. So, now they got the stupid face. Because really what I wanted to do is go home. First of all, I pulled up in my BMW. I don't know if y'all ever seen that. And then I wanted to go home and come back in my Porsche. I don't think y'all ever seen that. I'm sitting in my Porsche right now. This is what it is.
You got a jacket back here?
Uh-huh. That's a leather jacket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a hoodie.
No, that's not a hoodie. That's my coat.
Oh, that's what you needed, right?
Yeah. So then I wanted to just go, boo. And I had on my baguette earrings. Let's not get this all twisted up. So she wanted to really know how to be a truck driver. And I was like, start off with a DoorDash account since y'all trying to be so funny. So that's what I did. But y'all, we taking off. We gotta go run a few more errands. So I'll see y'all when I pick this camera back up, when I turn it back